This is a boy cow. They call that a bull. Here's a girl cow. Cows go moo. This is called a ram. A ram lives in the mountains. And do you see the horns here? With the horns, the ram rams things. That's why they call it a ram. This is called a goat. A goat likes to eat lots of garbage and things on the ground. This is a goat. Do you know what this is? This is a lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. And a lamb goes, bah. These are pigs. Pigs like to live in sloppy places. And a pig goes, there's a mama pig and a baby pig, and they call baby pigs piglets. Those are two pigs. This is a goose. Honk, honk, honk goes the goose. See the goose? Honk, honk, honk. This is a turkey. A turkey goes gobble, 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 which is what we do with turkey on Thanksgiving. We gobble, 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 gobble it. Turkey. Chicken. That's a chicken. This is called a donkey. Do you know how a donkey goes? A donkey goes, hee-haw, hee-haw. That's a donkey. I bet you know what this is. This is a horse. And a horse goes, whee! That's a horse. Out in the jungle, there are lots of big animals. This is one of them. This is a hippopotamus. Sometimes we call them hippos. That's a hippo. This animal is called a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros begins with the letter R. Do you see this? That's the horn on the rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Gorilla. Gorilla. They call this animal the king of the jungle. It's the lion. You see the lion and all the hair the lion has? That's a lion. And a lion roars. This ferocious cat is the tiger. T-I-G-E-R spells tiger. Look at all the spots on this animal. Do you see them, all those black spots? This is a leopard. Can you say leopard? What's black and white and striped all over? It's a zebra. This is a zebra. Black and white and striped all over. Zebra. This is a giraffe. Look at that long neck. That's so a giraffe can go way high in a tree and eat leaves. Giraffe.